Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here on Pepperstone. First of all, what we're gonna do is decide right here what you want to buy. Now, I want to buy Dogecoin versus US dollar, that is fine. And then right now we click here on buy. Then from now we can select right here the order type, select right here the lots that we want to buy. Let's buy 100 lots, this is fine. And then from here we click on protection orders. And now what we can do is click on stop loss. And then we need to fill in right here the place that when he will hit that amount or that balance, that he will close our trade and will stop our losses. So let's say when the price will go down to, let's say, something like this, then he will stop our losses. So now if you click on send offer, he will create right here a position and we have a stop loss right here on this mark. So this is how you can stop loss right here on Pepperstone. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.